Welcome to a glimpse into the world of innovative solutions designed to enhance our everyday lives. Revolutionizing kitchen experiences and embracing sustainable energy solutions, these inventions are changing the way we live and interact with our environments. Join us as we explore some of the most exciting innovations that are making waves in various aspects of modern living. It's fascinating to see how personal experiences can inspire innovative solutions, like the gutter extension designed by the founder of Autos Spout after facing flooding issues with his own house. This simple yet effective solution operates seamlessly with the flow of rainwater, directing it away from the house without the need for complex technology. Priced at $60, it offers peace of mind for homeowners looking to protect their properties from water damage. Moving on to kitchen innovations, the intelligent kitchen hood with a built-in 27-inch touchscreen offers not only efficient ventilation, but also a range of features to enhance cooking experiences. From suggesting recipes to video chats and accessing various apps, this hood provides convenience and connectivity in the kitchen. Paired with the equally intelligent stove and oven, which are available separately for $5,000. It creates a comprehensive cooking environment where users can streamline their culinary activities with ease. Solar energy solutions are also gaining traction, with Solar Plus Incorporated offering impressive solar panels like the 60-cell REC Alpha panel, providing 410 watts of power. These panels not only offer efficient energy generation, but also blend seamlessly with different home designs, offering a sustainable and aesthetically pleasing solution to energy needs. Additionally, energy storage systems like the MTE B250 provide convenient ways to store solar energy for later use, offering flexibility and efficiency in energy management. Ventilation systems, like the high-end Airome system, offer advanced features for maintaining optimal indoor air quality. By efficiently circulating air while removing harmful substances, these systems ensure a healthier and more comfortable living environment for homeowners. Furthermore, innovations like the Can Koala trash can stabilize or address practical issues by enhancing the stability of trash cans and preventing spills and mess caused by wind or animals. For outdoor enthusiasts, solar pool heating systems offer an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to extend the swimming season. With solutions like the coops heater, which efficiently heats water using solar energy, pool owners can enjoy warmer water temperatures without relying on traditional heating methods. Even chicken coops are getting smarter, with models like the Coop team offering AI-powered monitoring of bird behavior and automatic features to ensure the well-being of feathered friends. With built-in heating systems and automated functions, these modern chicken coops provide convenience and peace of mind for poultry enthusiasts. The compact and versatile washing machine Eva offers convenience and efficiency. It fits into tight spaces while still handling 3.6 kilograms of laundry per cycle. Its unique design and compact size make it suitable for various settings, and its price of around $800 makes it an attractive option for those looking for a space-saving laundry solution. Raindrop Gutters offer a hassle-free solution to gutter maintenance, with self-cleaning and debris-proof features. These innovative gutters harness the sun's heat to melt snow and ice during winter, providing efficient drainage year-round. With a 20-year warranty and satisfied customer testimonials, Raindrop Gutters offer peace of mind and reliability. Protective parcel boxes like the ones offered by Yale provide security and convenience for package deliveries, especially in areas prone to porch piracy. With options for remote opening via smartphone and integration into smart home systems, these boxes offer a reliable solution to package theft concerns. The pneumatic mattress jack from EasyMaker simplifies lifting heavy mattresses, making it easier to change bed linens and perform other maintenance tasks. With a weight capacity of up to 453 kilograms and automatic lowering after use, this innovative tool streamlines mattress maintenance for homeowners. Outdoor furniture from Outmore Living combines comfort with functionality, featuring built-in heating elements to keep users warm even in chilly weather. While these pieces may be heavy and require some effort to set up, their ability to provide warmth and comfort makes them a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The Lilaire Bright Wine Cellar simplifies wine management for collectors, offering instant access to inventory data via smartphone. With temperature control and a capacity for up to 185 bottles, this intelligent solution provides convenience and peace of mind for wine lovers. Handy-manny window well covers offer protection and security for basement windows, preventing debris buildup and potential damage. With options for customization based on customer needs and preferences, these covers provide a reliable solution for maintaining basement windows. The Marula ES1 awning offers versatility and durability, with features like vibration lights, wind and rain sensors, and LED lighting. Made with rust-resistant steel, this awning is suitable for various environments, including seafront locations, making it a popular choice for outdoor spaces. At $7,450, it offers a premium solution for outdoor comfort and convenience. Hobie's Mirage Drive pedal system revolutionized the fishing kayak market 2 decades ago, setting a new standard for maneuverability and efficiency. The system's unique fins allow movement in all directions, including sideways, making it easy for anglers to adjust kayak positions quickly and safely. Despite its advanced features, such as safe maneuvering in shallow waters, the Mirage Drive system comes at a premium price. With a Mirage Pro Angler 14 kayak, equipped with this system costing around $4,700. Lumen's innovative glasses aim to assist visually impaired individuals by providing navigation assistance through sound and tactile communication. Inspired by the technology used in autonomous driving, these glasses respond to voice commands and help users navigate their surroundings effectively. With promising advancements and recognition in the field, including a MedTech award, Lumen's glasses offer hope for improved mobility and independence for the visually impaired. Kickit Team Tennis combines art and playability, offering a unique and engaging experience for players of all ages. With emphasis on teamwork and dynamic gameplay, this installation art piece provides entertainment and enjoyment for participants, making it a standout innovation in the world of interactive installations. Mud shoes offer a practical and enjoyable solution for foot comfort. Each shoe features 8 vibration motors to provide a relaxing massage experience. With customizable intensity settings and long-lasting battery life, mud shoes are ideal for individuals who spend long hours on their feet. At $119 per pair, they offer both comfort and functionality. Limex Dynamics Biped Robot P1 showcases advancements in robotics and AI, demonstrating adaptability and resilience in various environments. With potential applications in search and rescue missions and beyond, this biped robot represents a significant step forward in robotic technology, paving the way for future advancements and innovations. The Nimbus 1 electric trike offers an exciting and practical alternative to traditional transportation methods. It combines speed, range, and safety features for an enjoyable riding experience. With features like airbags, ABS, and AI collision prevention, the Nimbus 1 provides a smooth and secure ride at a starting price of $9,980. Ditto sewing pattern projectors simplifies the process of creating and transferring sewing patterns onto fabric, eliminating the need for paper patterns. At $299, it offers convenience and efficiency for sewing enthusiasts, and it has access to a monthly updated online library of clothing designs. LG Styler Shoe Case addresses the needs of young shoe collectors by providing a stylish and practical storage solution. Designed based on research highlighting the popularity of limited edition shoes among young people, these cases protect shoes from UV light, maintain their pristine condition with True Steam technology, and ensure freshness with ZOD Drive filters. With customizable drawer arrangements and optional illumination, the Styler Shoe Case offers a museum-like display for shoe enthusiasts. The Autos Super Tower introduces the world's first commercial communications tower in aerostat form, offering heights of up to 610 meters and a payload capacity of 300 kilograms. Designed for deploying 4G and 5G networks, the ST300 model enables communication within a 40-kilometer radius, autonomously, or through manual remote control. With significant contracts secured, including with the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, the Autos Super Tower demonstrates its potential for transforming communication infrastructure globally. Bright electric buses known as WeRide Robobus are undergoing testing in cities like Abu Dhabi, Las Vegas, and Singapore, offering driverless transportation solutions. Utilizing Level 4 autonomous driving technologies, these buses navigate traffic signals, signs, pedestrians, and vehicles with ease, providing a safe and efficient mode of public transportation. With a capacity of up to 10 passengers and a range of 300 kilometers, WeRide Robobus addresses workforce challenges in the transportation sector, particularly in aging populations like Singapore's. The equipped 7000 combines the functionalities of a boom lift, dump truck, and trailer, offering convenience and efficiency for various applications. With a lifting capacity of up to 1,814 kilograms and remote operation capabilities, this machine simplifies tasks like roof material handling and debris removal. With a removable body and robust construction, the equipped 7000 provides versatility and durability for construction and maintenance projects. The Shark Wheel Swift revolutionizes circular irrigation systems with its innovative design, reducing ground sinking and increasing efficiency. By incorporating special blades and airless wheels, these wheels minimize ground disturbance, offer easy repairs, and eliminate the need for pumps. With recognition from the U.S. National Science Foundation and grants received, the Shark Wheel Swift showcases its potential for transforming agricultural practices and improving water management. Aquabotics' Integra Hybrid and EcoSub Robotics autonomous underwater vehicles offer versatile solutions for ocean exploration and research. With capabilities for autonomous and operator-controlled operations, these vehicles can dive to depths of up to 2.5 kilometers, carry various payloads, and perform tasks ranging from oceanography to law enforcement. With advancements in underwater robotics, these vehicles contribute to our understanding of the ocean environment and its resources. The automated PO complex introduces efficient warehouse automation technology capable of picking and packing up to 360 orders per hour. With robotic assistance, this system accelerates order fulfillment processes, offering 5 times faster and more accurate operations than manual methods. With scalability and cost-effectiveness, the automated PO complex presents a viable solution for optimizing warehouse operations and meeting the demands of e-commerce growth. GMO heaters with solar panels offer cost-effective solutions for reducing electricity or gas bills by covering up to 80% of hot water needs. With overheating protection and corrosion prevention features, these heaters ensure comfortable showers and dishwashing while minimizing energy consumption. A typical 300-liter model, priced at around $11,000, provides long-term savings and environmental benefits for homeowners. The MSKB brush is designed for cleaning railways, particularly ballast material. Its various widths and compatibility with other equipment simplify maintenance tasks, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning of railway tracks. As an essential tool for railway maintenance, the MSKB brush contributes to the safety and reliability of railway operations. As we look to the future, let's continue to embrace innovation and strive for solutions that make our lives safer, more sustainable, and more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, stay curious and open to the possibilities of tomorrow.